How to deposit a check on Cash App. So basically, if you want to deposit a check on Cash App, it is quite simple. All you have to do is first of all launch Cash App and just go to your home tab that you can see after you log in, right? Once you come to the home icon, under more ways to add money, you'll find an option called checks. Now keep in mind, not all the devices might have this option available. If you have, you can just go to this checks option right there. You can choose to enter the check amount and just hit the confirm amount button. On the next page, you can simply confirm the front side of the check and take a photo of the back side of the check and make sure to scan and submit the check. Once done, you can scan, submit, take the front side, back side photo, and then after that, you can successfully deposit a check on Cash App. So this way you'll be able to successfully deposit a check on Cash App. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.